Good morning, this is Will with Modern Exterior here. It is a beautiful day in Oconomowoc. Thought I'd take the time to tell you what granule loss looks like on roof shingles. If you did have granule loss, what it would look like if you start to see the granules deteriorating and you would see the asphalt showing. And then even beyond that, you start to see the fiberglass showing. And then lastly, the third thing you would see is a significant amount of granules found in your gutters. Those would be the three things that you would see when you start noticing significant granule loss on roof shingles.